What's up, everybody? We got a part for the truck. Let's unbox it. I got this off eBay. I'll put the link in the description. This right here is what they call the Exergy Saver meter valve. It helps for if your CP4 goes bad. It has extra screens right here. I'll go ahead and take it out of the box, or out of the bag. There we go. The screens on a factory valve are less durable. They're thinner. And I think the mesh rate on a factory one is 80, and this one's like a 25, so much better. And they say that it does not decrease performance or anything like that, even if it's tuned or anything. So we're gonna put it in and see how it goes, but looks to be in pretty good quality. Everything looks good. But yeah, I'll put the link below. I got mine off eBay. Hopefully we can put that in pretty soon. I got my fluids, I got my filters in cabin, an engine filter, I got the oil filter. All my filters are in. We're gonna be a complete fluid change on that. Go ahead and get everything for the truck going. So if you guys want to, stay tuned and I'll be posting up down that. We got the batteries charged in the last part. So stay tuned and we'll be putting the meter and valve in. Thanks you guys for watching.